This is how to make faces. Volume 1. One finger. One finger. One finger. Anyways, for this project, I need to take off my glasses. Okay, here we go. Face number 1. Okay. Face number 2. Face number 3. Face number 4. Face number 5. Face number 6. What? Face number 7. Face number 8. Face number 9. Face number 10. That was how to make faces.